I'm Tyler Austin from Gungnir Strategic. Thank you so much for watching. So this little company called One Off was kind enough to send me this little AR cleaning slash maintenance tool. And I've had the opportunity to use it a little bit over the last few days. As you could imagine, I have a lot of ARs to clean. And so far, I actually really like this little tool. And this is their Cross AR-15 maintenance tool, I think is what they call it. And this has a bunch of cool little features on it that really help with particularly cleaning the bolt and bolt carrier group. So it has a scraper on it that allows you to easily scrape out the bolt face, which is really convenient, and the extractor too. They have a firing pin scraper, again, nice, especially when you're running suppressed. A lot of times that carbon gets caked onto that firing pin. And they also have a bolt tail scraper, same thing, scraping off all the carbon on that bolt tail. And they also have a scraper that goes inside of the bolt carrier where the bolt goes in, and you scrape it out. So again, really convenient, especially when you're running suppressed. That carbon really gets caked in there, and it has a little scraper that goes into that space and scrapes it out. It has a bunch of other little tools too, like a little Phillips head. Of course, has a bottle opener, because is it really a multi-tool if it doesn't have a bottle opener? You know, in the United States, that answer is no. One other really cool thing too, it has a firing pin, retaining pin. That's a mouthful. Retaining hole, so it makes it very easy to not lose that retaining pin. Everyone has, so it's a nice little feature there. Makes it so that way it's a lot harder to lose that stupid thing. But overall, I've used this thing a few times to clean a few bolt carrier groups, and I really like it, and I'm going to continue using this little guy for all my AR-15 cleaning needs. So thank you so much to One Off for sending this out to me. Again, this is their Cross AR-15 maintenance tool, I think is what they call it. It has a few other little tools on there that I haven't even mentioned yet, but overall, I really like it, and I think they have a neat little tool here. So thank you so much to One Off for sending this out to me. Anyways, I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please like and subscribe. Also consider joining my Patreon. YouTube is becoming increasingly more hostile to my channel with censorship, so I'm really working to become more Patreon exclusive over the next coming months. So if you enjoy my kind of content and you would like exclusive content, early access to content, as well as unfiltered and uncensored content I otherwise plan on posting onto YouTube, please consider joining my Patreon. Links down in the description below, of course. I'm Tyler Austin from Gungnir Strategic. Thank you so much for watching.